Hello friends, welcome to my new channel Code with Ryan, and this is my first class of coding, and I'm Ryan Big. I'm 7 years old. I'm studying 2 class and my 2 channels. One channel name is Albicus Graphic of Graphic Designing, and my second channel name is Code with Ryan, coding channel, new channel. And I hope you enjoy class. And this class we have learned that how to design a Navbar with HTML, CSS and Bootstrap. So now let's start it. So now first of all I will go to a Google. Here I will write W3 School. Okay, I will write it and you can see W3 School online web tutorial. Click it. So now click Learn Bootstrap. Click it Learn Bootstrap 3. So now I will click it and click Learn Bootstrap Get Started and copy this code, and I will go to my text editor, Sublime Text 3, my text editor. I have this text editor. What you are opening file, new file, and here file, save as. So now here I will write index.html. This is my file name, and here my file name is very different style.css, and here I will write HTML, save it, and here my document, and here I will write link rel style sheet, and here I will write href, and here I will write style dot CSS and close it, enter it. Here I will write link rel style sheet and go to here write href, and now done our work, and here and now paste, and I will erase first line. Backspace. So now enter it. So now go to a Google and you can see Bootstrap Navbar. Click it. Go to a down, scroll down, very large, and copy this second last code and go to a top and copy it, and here I will paste it. So now my website name is Rayyan Big. This is very awesome. And now here I will write about us, and now here I will write share wishes, and there I will write portfolio, done our work, and here I will write sign up, erase it, and here I will write login, and here I will erase this, and here I will write register, done our work, and go to a file, save it, minimize it, go here and refresh. You can see easily I will make, and mobile is this, you can see mobile is this, and iPad is this, laptop is this, and computer is this. You can see I will easily make my Navbar with HTML, CSS and Bootstrap, and I hope you enjoy this class. Like my video, show your friends, and subscribe to my channel. So for today, goodbye.